that yet, right?
No.
Get a video. Get a video.
We're usually sleeping,
I am.
so.
Oh no.
See, she's down here.
Wow.
That's cool.
The lion turned around. All I turned around like, stop it.
Yeah. It's like protecting
She's
the
trying to
camera.
dig the fence.
Like, don't let me get my belt. They are really fighting.
But she knows where he is, so why don't she just go in?
Because the lion, the mama lion turned around.
They're both girls. That's so cool.
That was having a bad day.
Oh, yeah.
She's
they
the
fight.
problem.
So do I.
Oh, mommy, look. Oh,
She's like, let me go over here and talk to her.
She
Chill out.
acts-
You know it's hot out here.
look at that.
And that's family.
That's it.
You got these people on this bus looking at
You
y'all.
ladies need to stop.
And that's what they want to show.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I got a water buffalo in front of the bus. You never know, the cats might be in heat too, I don't know. Elvis is fixed, but still, you know how it is, ladies.
She's like, all right, we good now?
Okay, water buffaloes are from
We
Asia.
good.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Got a bunch of pigs down here. Look at our little pigs over here on the left.
Feed him.